Hi guys, welcome to week 3. This video is going to go over what's happening this week. The most important thing for you to keep in mind is that week 4, next week, we have our timed writing, and that will happen in the LRC, in the lab, in the beach area, and I will give you more information on that in class and through email. But you will have your first timed writing, and so that means you'll be in the lab during class, week 4, writing your timed writing essay in response to Natalie Goldberg's Stalker and Dreamer. So what's happening this week is we're just preparing for that. So there's only 2 discussions this week, and you'll be reading and rereading Stalker and Dreamer, and then figuring out what your thoughts are on that reading and fleshing out your ideas to prepare you for the timed writing. So the first discussion is actually Googling timed writing strategies. For those of you especially who get nervous when you are asked to take a timed writing or to perform in a timed environment, it can be kind of stressful. So our first step will be to go to Google and ask how to prepare for timed writing, take good notes, cruise around, see what information strikes you as useful, put it in your journal, and then you'll report back to the discussion board and tell us 2 things. What do you fear or dislike about taking a timed writing test? And then also why? And then the second thing is tell us about 1 or 2 things that you learned from Google regarding strategies for test preparation, writing in a timed essay specifically. So real simple. It's an opportunity for you to kind of think about how you feel and where those fears or anxiety might come from, so you can kind of slowly start to let that go and then recreate new positive habits for engaging in a timed writing situation. So remember, not all hope is lost. You have an opportunity to revise if you need to. But it's good to actually time yourself, just like you do with the free write, so you can kind of see what you can produce within that set and timed environment. Okay, and so going back to the discussion board, there's a second one, which is week 3, thoughts on stalkers and dreamers. I gave you a link to Carlos Castaneda's ideas about stalking and dreaming. You can check it out beforehand. It's just interesting stuff. So he talks about stalking, and he kind of guides you through it, and then he also talks about dreaming. And so this is from Carlos Castaneda. He is an anthropologist from UCLA. Pretty insightful individual. He also wrote Don Juan. So let's see. So on this discussion, you're going to post a response to her short story, Stalkers and Dreamers. There's some questions here for you to answer. Make sure that your post is 5 to 7 sentences long, so you're developing your ideas and pushing yourself further into thought, into figuring out what you think and why. And then always read and respond to another classmate's post. So fairly simple. 2 discussions for week 3, prepping for the timed essay in week 4. So that's what's happening here. Another thing that I just wanted to remind you of while I have you here is labs. So we're looking, reservation request. So here we are. So for my Tuesday class, September 11th, we are going to be in Pod C from 10 to 11:15. If you are in my Thursday class, you're also in Pod C on September 13th of week 4 from 10 to 11:15. And then my Wednesday class is September 12th, where you are scheduled in Pod J from 10 to 11:15. So I'll remind you of that. I'm going to highlight it so I can email it to you. That's for next week, week 4. So again, week 3, we're just prepping for the timed writing. We'll be doing some reading of Stalkers and Dreamers and some writing in class this week that will prepare you to feel more confident. Remember, every writing opportunity is a chance for you to just explore ideas, see where you stand, and learn something new about yourself. You go into it maybe confused or not understanding something, and you come out of it with maybe a better grasp of the concepts or ideas or how you relate to them. So that is what's happening in week 3. If I don't see you this week, remember to contact someone from class in case you have any questions about what went on this week during class, or if you can't make your scheduled class, you're welcome to pop in to any of my other 2 courses. Remember, I have 3 EngV01As this semester. So that's week 3. Have a great week.